So what are we doing down here, David?
We are answering the question from the beached whale. Question being, what's going to keep me from getting in there? This will keep you from getting in here. This indeed.
See what you got there? Come on, smile for the camera. What do we got here?
We have a numero 3 grade A lock that is now going to be applied to our numero 3 grade A chain. Oh!
Okay, back up. We can get some light in there so we can see what's up. Okay, that's what we just did.
That is chain number 1. Chain number 2 shall go on right now.
Oh my goodness.
So, to answer your question, Jennifer, again, what will keep you from getting in here? That will.